Ever wondered if diet drinks can truly help with weight loss? Well, ponder no more. Welcome to a journey of exploration into the world of diet beverages and their role in weight management. First on the list is green tea. Hailed as a powerhouse of antioxidants, green tea aids in burning fat by boosting the body's metabolism. It's not just about weight loss, though. Green tea also packs a punch when it comes to overall health, improving brain function, and lowering the risk of cancer. Next up, we have black coffee. A mug of black coffee in the morning not only kickstarts your day, but also aids in weight loss by providing a boost of metabolism and burning fat. Plus, it's a great source of antioxidants and can help reduce the risk of diabetes. Third on our list is apple cider vinegar drinks. Now, this might sound a bit unconventional, but apple cider vinegar drinks are gaining popularity in the weight loss world. They help in increasing the feeling of fullness, leading to fewer calories intake. Water, of course, is the most underrated diet drink. Staying hydrated helps maintain bodily functions, including metabolism. And believe it or not, drinking cold water can actually help burn calories as the body uses energy to heat it to body temperature. Lastly, we have lemon water. This refreshing drink is not only a great way to start your day, but also helps in weight loss. The pectin fiber in lemons can help curb hunger cravings, making it a great addition to any weight loss diet. In summary, diet drinks can be a beneficial tool in your weight loss journey. Green tea and black coffee lead the charge with their metabolism-boosting properties. Apple cider vinegar drinks, though a little unconventional, can help you feel fuller for longer. Water, the most underrated diet drink, aids in maintaining metabolism. And finally, lemon water can help curb hunger cravings. Remember, though, that these drinks are not magic potions. They can aid in weight loss, but they should be coupled with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So the next time you're reaching for a drink, why not consider one of these options? Here's to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed,